Hi, my name is Chris from the tradingdojo.com. I just wanted to cover one of the free indicators that we developed for the dojo, but it's available for everybody out there. So I'm making a public video on how to use this. And it's called the Dojo all-time high, all-time low percentage indicator and alerter. So without further ado, let's just take a look at a BTC chart. First of all, to be able to put this this indicator on your charts, very simply, just click on the indicator icon on TradingView, or do the backslash, which is also the front slash, the forward slash, which is also going to bring this up, and just type Dojo and add this to your chart, and that's it. I've already got it here, so I'm not going to have it twice. So let me just turn some options off and how this is set off the default. There we go. So out of the box, this is what it looks like. It shows you the current percentage, how far away from all-time high you are, or all-time low. In this case, Bitcoin at this current time is trading roughly 10% from all-time high and 90% from all-time low, which mathematically makes sense. But what's interesting with this is it has several functions. I can actually set an alert, if I don't want to be watching charts all day, and just send an email or a pop-up on my screen, or sound a bell whenever BTC or any other asset that you put this on breaks all-time high. So this is one of the uses, or all-time low. This is one of the uses that you can do for it. Another one would simply be also looking at percentages from all-time high and all-time low. So let's put this at 8.5%, because I know that BTC has a little bit of a sweet spot there. At 8.5% from all-time highs, just get an alert. It doesn't mean that this is a buy signal or sell signal. This is dumb. You don't trade that way. Like, an indicator tells you to buy or sell, and boom, that becomes your signal. Like all those other indicators that are based on crossing MAs and whatnot, that's complete ridiculous, and it'll get you wrecked at least 50% of the time, if not more. So don't base your trading on this. But what this is good for, though, is to give you a good indication of large movements. Like, I know that BTC likes to go to all-time high and comes down 8.5% roughly. Sometimes it's 9, sometimes it's 10, sometimes it's 7. But 8.5 is a good average. And, sometimes it'll go 20, like you see right here. But, 8.5 is something that's kind of significant that I want to know about. So I'll put an alert on there. 8.5, 8.5. You can see them the whole time, that when it went to all-time high, 8.5. Right here, dip further down below, but in general, it's a good indication. But once again, right here, this is probably another 20% retracement. Is it? Yeah, close to that. 17. It doesn't always go there, and that's why you don't base your trades solely on an indicator. You look at what the market's doing. You look at trends. You look at other indications. You look at price structure. You look at all that stuff. But it's good to know when it happens. Now, if you don't want to sit in front of your charts all day, this is a good thing, because it can let you know of a large BTC movement coming up, or happening, I should say, and you can set an alert on this as well. So 8.5, I want to know what's going on when it hits that. So I'll right-click on this, add alert, and once the high ATH, all-time high threshold, is crossed, not the all-time high itself, this right here is for the percentage retracement, the threshold value right here, threshold percentage, 8.5. So I'm putting an alert on the threshold once per bar, and create. It's going to send me an email or a pop-up when this happens, so I don't have to look at the charts. So that's basically it. I mean, it's got other settings for local pivots instead of high and lows, but I like to just know when it's breached a high and when it retraces from that high, and that's what I use this indicator for, mostly information. So anyways, that was the information I wanted to give you guys, and have yourself a great, safe trading day, and I'll talk to you guys later.